Hi friends, what's going on? Your girl Coco. And I wanted to just jump on real quick and share with you the next 1 minute with Coco tips, tricks to your own health and wellness journey. A lot of us think that eating healthy requires a lot of effort. And while that may be true, it also requires some action. And sometimes we get really confused about the action steps. So when we talk about snacks in particular, and we talk about keeping our metabolism burning, we want to make sure that we're constantly feeding our bodies with things like phytonutrients, protein, macronutrients, healthy fats, fruits and vegetables, and of course, tons of variety, colors, okay? So when we talk about colors, we want to make sure that we are getting in some reds, some greens. Those are super important. And then we also have maybe some other colors. You choose. You find your taste buds where they are, okay? So one thing that I start with every single afternoon is my tea. I'm gonna be making some iced tea right now. This is what we're talking about when it comes to keeping our metabolism burning. And I'm gonna just add, maybe a few seconds worth of tea right in here, and then add it to some hot water. Ooh, it's hot, so be careful. Okay, boom. And we're gonna fill this up with cold water and ice. And what we have here is a nice energy boosting tea full of antioxidants, phytonutrients, trace nutrients. You're gonna love it. Then we talk about food. Okay, so I'm gonna whip up literally a killer of a snack. It's economical, anybody has access to it, and if you're on the road or have limited space in the refrigerator or don't really know where to start, this is a great place to just explore with your taste buds. Your taste buds love flavor, and sometimes because of all of the oversaturated foods that we eat, we sometimes tend to not have clean palates, and this is a problem. It doesn't allow us to absorb nutrients, and it doesn't allow us to taste the rainbow, okay? So when we talk about eating healthy, we want to make sure that we're including color, we're including protein, and we're really focusing on where we're going, which is keeping track of our protein number so that we meet or exceed our protein number. So with that said, I love this tip. I love this plate I'm about to make for us. Like I said, I started with, everybody thinks that eating healthy costs money, and it does cost money, but it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg, okay? So I've got a cheese stick, I've got cucumber, I've got tomatoes, and I've got some apple, okay? I've got my Herbalife bar, and I have my Orchard Valley nuts. So I'm gonna add the protein. Here we have 140 calorie healthy protein bar, okay? And we have 10 grams of protein. In this one, we have 7 grams of protein, all right? And in this, we have another 7 grams of protein. So we got 10 plus 7 plus 7. 14 plus 10 is 24. Boom. That's magical. We want to be within range 20 or above in protein. Okay, and I'm gonna just do a separate video of me making this little salad for you, and this is really economical. 99 cents for a cucumber will last you 3 mid-afternoon snacks. We've got $3.99, $4.99 for cheese sticks, 12 of them, and then we have, $4.99 for tomatoes. You can even cut them in half, get a few apples. It's crunchy, it's colorful. You can have this as a side, as a breakfast side. You can even make this into a peanut butter snack. You guys, apple donuts are in. So if you have anything like, slicing, learning to just cut the fruit this way, right, versus this way, and having fun so that you're always exploring new flavors and making that part of your new healthy routine. So with that, we'll talk to you soon. Any questions at all, please write them in the box. We have a new challenge every Monday for anyone interested in the 7-day Eat Clean challenges that I lead, and I walk with you together. We make better choices, digging deeper and being 1% better every single day. So with that, I'm out. Have an awesome, lovely Tuesday. Bye.